Yes, I want to do this video to my family out there. My name is Edos. I don't want you there. I'm doing this video specially for my family. I beg my brothers, my sister, from Okbere family, from Odobawu, Ude family. I beg una with all our ancestors. All the past ancestors may don't go. Our forefather use their names, all of the names to beg all of una. This time, not be time for us to take the fight war. This time, not be time for us to take the fight ourselves. If una continue this fight from the family, I'm just doing this video specially because why? I can never quiet. I don't feel quiet again. For this kind of situation may they happen between my family. For this fight, maybe say with the fight, maybe say not really finish so for the family. You understand me so? It's not good say brother go dey fight against brother. It's not good say sister go dey fight against sister. If our forefather, our grandfather fight themselves, we for not know ourselves today. I beg Okbere family. We be one family, one Ode family. You understand me so? Make una use una mind to rub una self. Na me una pikin Edos na dey talk so. This fight, make una dey fight with my father so it no make sense. When una dey drag una self, dey go court every day, it no make sense. Me, I'm doing this video behind my father. I don't take permission from my father. I'm doing this video specially for my own self because I'm a child of God. God vein is running inside my vein. God blood is running towards my blood too. God canopy have covered me. God garment have already covered me. I'm just doing this video specially. I'm begging you guys. This time, una not dey fight on ourselves again. Not be this time, una take the throw stone to ourselves. Because una need to end this war now. Because may the children not inherit am. Because we may be grandchildren, if we inherit from this war will be World War II. It's not good. When we say our father don't fight this war, children will constantly fight am. It don't make sense. I just specially say make I do this video so that I use and take beg all my members of my family, whether my father is right or all my father brother they are right. I don't care to know. One thing I need now peace, one unity, one name Ode. Our father, our grandfather, they don't do this thing. Make una they do so. Una need to stop this madness. Make una embrace una self. Mona bury this thing. All this machete and this cutlass, all this thing mona take the fight una self. Mona go bury am. Mona put am behind una. Mona show love for una self so that we may be children. We will see enjoy that love before una die. Because una not go stay this world forever. This world not be una own. Everybody come this world for temporary. But we know say this world not dey balance. Na sense na man dey use till they follow things of this earth so that make it not make mistake. I beg una in the name of God so that make una rub minds together. Make una throw away everything may dey happen to una. Mona embrace una self. Even my father go still watch this video. I want to do this video specially before I post it to my Facebook so that may it go viral. We need peace. We need one unity. We need one Ode family. Odobawu. I beg una in the name of God. Any evil may cause problem between una. Mona separate them from our life. Because we may be children. We not go happy say tomorrow the war mona fight, remember we'll see carry the machete come out. Consider they fight the war. Una need to make peace now. Una need to make peace now so that we may be children will see understand so una don't make peace before una ancestors call una. Not be when una ancestors don't call una we can't say one can make peace. We may be children, we not feel make the peace because why? Una may be father not feel make that peace down before una ancestors call una. I beg una in the name of God. One of una brother don't see go meet the ancestors now. Papa bless him. Mona use sense. Take one. So that make that man, anywhere make that man see day, he go see the get glory, see na true burial. Now all of una for see settle. I beg una in the name of God. Anything may they make una dey quarrel, una rub minds together. This time, now we be una children. So that more una prayer will see they list us up, we will see they better for this Europe. We will see they enjoy for our labor. As soon as they fight war, so the thing go see they affect our enemy, not be us. Because arrow to arrow, na bad thing. No family go feel better. Now the family now they perish. Not be other family now they perish. Because we are fighting ourselves. We are fighting one blood. We are for one family. We are for one blood. Mo kuna embrace una se. Mo na try una don mature reach. All my parents. Or their family, or their family. Una don mature reach, mo na fit embrace una self. Mo na fit tackle everything may they cause problem between una. Mo na tackle am. This money we come this life come see am. We will still leave this money for this life. Money no dey follow person they go. Property no they not dey bury am with person. Car they not dey bury am with person. Riches they not dey bury am with person. I beg una in the name of God. I'm doing this video specially because I be good Ode Pikin. I be Ode Pikin may know himself. May the same on this life. May go make peace for family. I not be Pikin may who can't destroy family. I beg una in the name of God. Make una come together. One love and one unity. And peace. Now we need for their family. We be great children. We be hero. Our grandfather is a hero. Our grandfather lived as a hero before his ancestors call him. May we may be children. May still live like a hero too. May not live like a coward. May do things right so that our ancestors will guide us. That's why I want to specially do this video to my father's family. Ode. Make peace and unity be una portion. May God give una the ability for you guys to come together. Anything, make it a separate una. May God scatter am. In Jesus' mightiest name I pray. Amen.